Hello, did you order a Lyft?
Yes.
Hi, what's the name?
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Mr. Beast's assistant.
What?
I'm Mr. Beast's assistant.
You work
And I'm his filmer.
You work for Mr. B. What's this?
Let's go. I got you, buddy.
You just gave me like $900.
Congratulations. You're going to go viral now on Mr. Beast TikTok.
Yay.
Oh my God.
I'm in a Mr. Beast video?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally Mr. Beast's biggest fan. Oh my gosh, you give me more?
Oh my God.
This is gonna pay my rent. I literally just moved into a mobile home.
Oh no.
This is gonna pay my rent.
Oh.
Are you serious? Are
Take
you,
more.
Are you joking?
And detail
Are
the
you?
car.
Oh my gosh. Are you angels?
No, we're just part of the Mr. Beast group.
This is for you.
So what? Just
You
for
just have
that?
to take us to the destination.
The video ended.
Do you,
Oh,
do,
okay.
do you guys need a
Is
ride?
that everything?
Yeah. Was that everything? Did you give us everything back?
Yeah.
I just ended the video.
Oh, you
so-
want the money back?
Well, it's just for the video.
Yeah.
Are you? I don't get to keep the money?
You mean you handed it back? We didn't really think you actually needed it.
Are you serious?
I mean, you handed it back to me.
I guess we could give him one.
One?
We'll give you 2 to detail the car.
Okay, I
Are
mean,
you
thank
ready to
you,
head
but
out? Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you for being in our video.
I just realized all of his videos are fake. That's. Are you serious right now?
Yeah, you were so great.
I hope you have the best day. Bye, Cody.